Bok bok. I decided to not do like a weird dance or some kind of weird hand motion or a weird face because, let's face it, I'm more mature. I'm more grown up. Big boy. I'm a big boy now. Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on social media. You can subscribe to the channel. You can turn on notifications. You could do all or none of those things. It's really up to you. Yellow pals. Zorp. That's pals. Pals. Zorp isn't a word. Today we are taking a closer look at this shoe. This is the Nike SB collaboration with Concepts out of Boston on the Nike Dunk High. I've been calling it TURDUNKEN online. I almost called it TURDUNKEN there, but it's the TURDUNKEN. Before we actually get into the video, this is not a sponsored video. This is just me giving you a heads up. Rejuvenator's doing a Black Friday sale that ends on Sunday. Go to the video description, find my referral link, and go there. It's a tiered thing, so you can save up to 40% on anything on their website. So check it out if you clean your shoes, but we're gonna get back to these now. So this is a collaboration with Concepts and Nike SB. Concepts has done so many collaborations with Nike SB. Like there's the 5 Lobsters, the numerous Ugly Christmas Sweater collaborations, When Pigs Fly, highs. I'm probably forgetting 1 or 2, but whatever. If you guys are watching the Story of the Dunk on Sneakers app, you'll notice that Dion Point, the founder of Concepts, is on there a lot, and it's, I mean, they've worked with him the most out of any shop, I think. Like, I can't think of any other shop that there's been more collaborations with Nike SB on, but the one consistent thing of all the collaborations that Concepts have done is they're always super fun. They don't really take them that seriously, and it shows in the shoes like this. Like, it's the main inspiration behind this is a duck. It's really cool. And they're calling it TURDUNKEN because it's like supposed to be a mix-up of like a Thanksgiving type thing. But I mean, there's so many different textures and just little details on here that you wouldn't see. I mean, even iridescent swooshes that are mismatched, and the tongue too, to match what it looks like on a duck. This little fibrous side panel that's supposed to mimic what duck skin is like. You got a nice suede vamp, really nappy suede on the mudguard, the eyelets. Even the ankle collar, really nice black suede on the ankle collar itself. The liner is actually, you'll see it in the video, but the liner is actually, almost looks like something you'd see on like a cabin or something like that. But yeah, this is a really interesting shoe. So let's take a closer look at the Nike SB Concepts TURDUNKEN, Duck High Pro, TURDUNKEN. mean, just like with every other Concepts collab, the details are there. And even the special box, which Concepts always manages to have awesome special boxes. I mean, there's a pair of socks in the special box. There's that Nerf football. There's that wax paper with the Concepts logo and the turkey on it. Like, they spared no, even the shipping box was detailed. Like, the amount of like care and honestly fun they put into these special box releases is kind of unprecedented. I haven't seen another brand that Nike SB collaborates with do as good of a job on special box and just collaborations in general than Concepts. Even if I don't like these, you kind of have to tip your cap to them because they're doing a really good job at it. I think it's ugly. I mean, that's just all there is to it. I'm not a fan of highs already, and this color palette is just not something I like. I don't like deep browns. I don't like a lot of like earth tones. Probably the only colors that I really like on it are on the tongue tag, the yellow. But I think this like salmon colored outsole mixed with the like peach looking midsole is just goofy. It's just the color, I just don't like the colors. I mean, it's a good collaboration. It's just not something that I find aesthetically pleasing because it just looks like, I mean, if they were going for, if a shoe was made of turkey stuffing, then they nailed it on the head. I think turkey stuffing looks disgusting, so these shoes just don't really do much for me. But a lot of people are super into them, so I got the special box from Concepts. A lot of people that I know hit that too, so if you did manage to get them, congratulations. But the retail on the special box was $249. I think retail on the actual box, or on the just normal regular version, was like $110 or something like that, right? No, $120, which makes sense because the materials are a little bit higher quality than a lot of SBs that come out. But yeah, it's a well done collaboration. I think whatever they wanted to do, they actually did it. That doesn't mean it looks good to me, but it's okay. These fit true to size. So if you're a size 11, get a size 11. I am a size 11, so I got a size 11, but I am definitely not gonna be wearing these because I would have to look down at my feet and see them on my foot, and that is not something that I wanna put myself through. At least Dion Point and Nike SB are having fun with it because that's what really needs to be done, especially with the Nike SB line. So there you go. The TURDUNKEN Dunk High SBs. I know I'm gonna get a lot of flack for not liking them, but they're just not good looking to me. Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. I have 2 more videos coming out this week. Remember to check out Reshoevn8r. They did not sponsor this video. I'm just letting you know that there's a sale going on right now that ends on Sunday night. Check out the link in the video description. It'll reroute you to Reshoevn8r.com and you can save up to 40% on a whole bunch of really good cleaning products for your shoes. So there's this shoe. I don't really have anything good or bad to say about it. It's just kind of there. So hey, have a good rest of your week. I will see you tomorrow for Beater Box Friday. Till then, take care of each other. Remember to keep it fun because sneakers are supposed to be fun. Bye-bye!